Welcome to DataChannel. This video will demonstrate how to move your data from your Snowflake warehouse to Google Sheets using DataChannel. There are two methods to move your data from your data warehouse. First one is to move your data directly from the table or view from your warehouse. Second is by using a data model where you can define your SQL query. From Reverse ETL, go to All Destinations section. Then search and select Google Sheets Data Destination. Click on Add icon for credentials authorization. Provide any name for your reference and use OAuth to add credentials. Click on Add Data Sync to start adding reverse syncs to your account. Select the added credentials and click on Next. Select the desired object and click on Next. Select the sheet name and worksheet where you want to move your data. You can either fetch your data directly from table/views in your warehouse, or you can use a data model. When selecting table or view, you need to select your added Snowflake warehouse. All warehouses added to your account will be listed here. Then select the desired table. If you want to fetch data using a data model, then you need to first create a data model in the Data Model section. After creating it, select your desired data model. Now once fetch from table or data model has been selected, you need to map the target fields with source fields. Select the required fetch mode. Full will fetch all data from the selected table or view. Incremental will fetch the fresh records added since last fetch. Now, select the manner in which data will be updated in Google Sheet. With Upsert selected, only new records or records with changes will be upserted based on specified upsert key. With append selected, all data fetched will be inserted. Selecting Replace will ensure the existing table is dropped and recreated with fresh data on each run. Schedule or manually run the reverse sync. You may also use the advanced scheduling options for more fine-grained control. Provide a name and description to the reverse sync for your reference. Choose the desired notification settings. Mark the Run After Save checkbox if you desire to immediately run the reverse sync after saving. Click on Submit. Once your reverse sync is configured successfully, you will be redirected to this screen, where you can view your run status. Please note that no logs are available when the reverse sync is still running. Click on View Logs to access the logs of the reverse sync run.